If your iPhone mic is not working, then follow the following steps. Go to settings, then scroll down and find privacy and security. Then click on microphone and make sure the app you're using your mic in is turned on here. For example, YouTube, click on the toggle button and now it will work in the iPhone. For the second step, go on settings, scroll down and find screen time. Then scroll down, go to content and privacy restrictions, then find microphone. Then here you can see that there is don't allow changes in the microphone. That means that no app can use the microphone here. Click on allow changes and your product. Also make sure that your microphone is clean enough to hear your voice. For the next step, make sure all your tabs in Safari and Chrome are closed. Search Safari. Then here click on the top bottom right corner and click on close all 4 tabs. This will help you turn on your. You can also force restart your iPhone by clicking on the power button till it turns off and turns on again. For the next step, you have to reset your iPhone. Click on settings, find general, then scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset iPhone and here you can click on reset all settings to clear your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.